Welcome to this popular yet peaceful part of Sengkang. We have a mid-floor corner unit that's just reached 5 years old with greenery views from Sungei Punggol River. Let's check it out. Enjoy privacy in the corner and the greenery views and breeze that comes along with it. As you enter this bright and breezy home, you will instantly feel the luxurious space that the living area provides. For those who enjoy your liquor, you can simply set up a shelf right here and enjoy a break right at home with this classy countertop. It is also tastefully renovated, where the previous owner has spent more than 60,000 on the home. Check out this renovated kitchen fitted with Bosch cooker hob and hood and ample cabinets. There are 3 good-sized bedrooms to accommodate your family, and each room comes with minimal built-in, greenery view and aircon. For those who love their bedroom space, I think you're gonna like this master room. Even with a built-in cabinet, this room can easily fit a king-size bed, baby's cot, 2 side tables, and also a TV. At Block 416C, we're just 4 minutes away from Layar LRT, and we have a basement car park just like a condo. Right now, all racers and Singapore PR can buy. Our estate is also right next to Pei Hwa Secondary School, 10 minutes walk to Sengkang Green Primary School and Fernvale Primary School. And for your shopping needs, we're also within walking distance to Seletar Mall, and right beside it, the upcoming Fernvale Community Club with a childcare centre, hawker and wet market expected to complete by second half of 2020. If you're keen to own this home, call 8333 0360 for an exclusive viewing today. Thank you.